If you're still running a single speed pool pump, you're basically burning money every month. In 2026, variable speed pumps aren't just an upgrade, they're the new standard. Today, I'll show you exactly how to choose the best variable speed pump for your pool, what actually matters, what's marketing hype, and how to save hundreds on energy costs every year. Let's start with the number one thing most pool owners overlook: sizing. Bigger isn't always better when it comes to pool pumps. Oversized pumps waste energy and reduce filtration efficiency. You want the smallest pump that can still turn over your pool volume in 8 hours or less. Example, a 15,000 gallon pool typically only needs a 1.5 to 2 horsepower variable speed pump. Undersized equals poor circulation. Oversized equals energy waste. Start with your pool's gallon size and plumbing, not the price tag or horsepower rating. Variable speed pumps save energy by slowing down, not working harder. Single speed pumps run full throttle all the time. Variable speed models adjust RPMs based on your schedule, filter cycles, spa mode, water features. Each 600 RPM drop can cut power use by 50% or more. Look for Energy Star certified units. They meet strict efficiency standards and often qualify for rebates. If your utility bill is high, a smart variable speed pump pays for itself in 1 to 2 seasons. Smart controls are the biggest difference between old school and modern pumps. The best 2026 models like the Pentair IntelliFlow 3 VSF integrate Wi-Fi and automation directly into your pump. That means you can adjust speed, set schedules, or even trigger water features from your phone. Look for models that work with your automation system: Pentair IntelliCenter, Hayward OmniLogic, or Jandy Aqualink. Smart control isn't a gimmick. It keeps your pump optimized automatically. A good pump should last 10 years or more if it's built right. Prioritize full rated motors with TEFC, that's totally enclosed fan-cooled design. They resist corrosion and overheating. Avoid cheap imports that lack service parts. Look for brands with strong replacement part availability. Pentair, Hayward, and Jandy are industry leaders. Easy access, priming lids, and union fittings make a huge difference when cleaning or replacing filters. Durability and serviceability matter more than saving $100 up front. Here's what most people miss. Your utility company might help pay for your pump. Many states and utilities offer rebates, sometimes $200 to $400 or more, for Energy Star rated variable speed pumps. Combine that with lower electric bills and you can recover that cost within a year. Check local rebate databases or your electric provider's site before buying. Smart shoppers use rebates to upgrade faster without breaking the bank. So what's the best all-around variable speed pump for 2026? Our top pick, the Pentair IntelliFlow 3 VSF 011076. It's a 3 horsepower built-in I/O relay board, Wi-Fi connectivity, and real-time energy monitoring. If you don't need automation or have a smaller pool, the SuperFlow VS is a great alternative at a lower cost. Whether you're upgrading for savings or performance, Aqua Pool Supply has both options in stock with fast shipping and full manufacturer warranty.